Today we will introduce to you the ingredients and recipe for making moist chocolate cake. 1. Ingredients include 1 cup 240 milliliters hot water, 1 teaspoon instant coffee, optional, for enhanced chocolate flavor, half a cup 120 milliliters vegetable oil, 1 cup 200 g granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 3/4 cups 220 g all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup 65 g unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 1/2 teaspoons baking powder, 1 1/2 teaspoons baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 cup 240 milliliters buttermilk, or substitute with 1 cup milk plus 1 tablespoon lemon juice or vinegar. For the chocolate frosting, half a cup 115 g unsalted butter, softened, 2/3 cup 60 g unsweetened cocoa powder, 3 cups 360 g powdered sugar, 1/3 cup 80 milliliters heavy cream or milk, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 2. Instructions. 1. Preheat the oven. Set your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit 175 degrees Celsius. Grease and line 2 9-inch, 23 centimeters, round cake pans. 2. Mix the wet ingredients. In a large bowl, combine hot water and instant coffee, if using. Add in the oil, sugar, eggs, and vanilla extract. Whisk well until combined. 3. Prepare the dry ingredients. In another bowl, sift together the flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt. 4. Combine everything. Gradually add the dry mixture to the wet ingredients, alternating with the buttermilk. Mix just until combined, being careful not to overmix. 5. Bake the cake. Pour the batter evenly into the prepared pans. Bake for 30 to 35 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let the cakes cool completely before frosting. 6. Make the frosting. Beat the softened butter and cocoa powder together. Gradually add in powdered sugar and cream, or milk, alternating between them, until you reach your desired consistency. Add the vanilla extract for extra flavor. 7. Assemble and decorate. Once the cakes are cooled, spread a generous layer of frosting between the layers, and cover the outside of the cake with the remaining frosting. Optionally, decorate with chocolate shavings or sprinkles. Note, this recipe provides a fresh and distinct take on the traditional moist chocolate cake, offering clear instructions while retaining the same delicious outcome. Hope you enjoy this cake. Please like, share, and follow our channel to see more new recipes. Thank you.